All right, good morning. It's Friday the 13th, 9/13/2024. I'm working on hacking hermit crabs. It was originally a idea I had for the GMTK game jam a few weeks ago. That was like a 3-day jam that I started, didn't complete. Decided, you know what? I like the idea. I'm going to go back to it. The game theme was big things that get small and small things that get big and grow and play with scale. For some reason, hermit crabs came to mind and how they have to, uh, you know, they live their life, and then as they grow, they molt, is what they call it. They molt into larger and larger shells. I'll keep an eye on any chats, um, and I'll talk through this, but I really want to try to get work done and get to a good established point where I have like a pattern to my code structure and functionality. Here's what I do have as of last night. You're going to have all these little, what I call nodes. These are little hermit crab computers. I made a big one though, so I can work on the UI and the functionality of it, because it doesn't actually, I mean, there's no functionality right now. But I decided I'm going to make these like a little virtual computer for hermit crabs to take care of their habitat. Commands and different things, and different ones are going to have to network together with other ones to grow themselves for their resources. And so I had all these ideas though, since I stopped working on it about 2 hours ago. Let me change this back. So I feel like I need to make notes like this, but I need to establish where I'm at now and don't add to the work yet. I have a little to-do list. One little crazy idea. I just hit my microphone. Oops, keyboard. Get it together here. Been up for a long time. Um, I realize, yeah, there's a computer aspect to these things, but what if the computer were driving little? What if these were tech? It's hacking robot. It's hacking hermit crabs. So what if they had like little robots that they could like control machines with the computer? They have to fend for themselves via the technology, and they have to learn how to do it. As in, the player of the game learns how to do it. There we go. I have I'm on two laptops. There's two keyboards in front of me. I can use both keyboards for both laptops, and there's two mice that I can run across all three. It's pretty cool, but it's a little chaotic. Really, I need like a spinnable. I need a little shelf desk next to me that I can spin out and type on that one, which I'm working on. Kind of a cyborg desk that's nothing that you just go and buy. It's put together with a lot of pieces of furniture two like 40-inch TVs in front of me, and um, again, I can use one mouse across three different machines. There's three different machines that are running different Linux distros and are dedicated to for different projects and purposes. Um, okay, so I'm thinking about little spreadsheet animations. This is something I should introduce right away. Like trying to add in so I haven't written game logic for these computers at all. I don't know how they're going, the features of them and their purpose yet. So I'm trying to get these like design and UI elements in place because they're going to be part of all the input, output, everything. So I'd like to have some of that established. I think that's where I can make a lot of progress. And then I'll see further and further how um, the concept of the game will come together more and more. And like new ideas will, like what I think it'll be now, it won't be. So I'm going to focus on UI and design assets. So I'm not like already thinking like if I'm going to have like little moving animations and objects, should I get some sprite sheets going and like, some actual controls other than you click on one of these computers and you type a few commands and then your health and your water gets updated. Oh, there's there's bigger shells now you can grow. That's the simple concept. So I think it's a little bit of both. It's combining the two and keeping them both simple. I like my little computer though, and this is like his little sandy little home. I'm typing something into my other. Sorry, there's nothing going on the screen. I'm typing something in my other machine about sprite sheet generation. This is gonna be great. I'm not. I made this little guy. I'm not designing. Oh yeah, I got it. I already got it. I'm not designing. Wait a second. I'm not designing all these little 2D um, things, but I'm. Hold on. Let me download this image. Save image as Hermit crab walking sprite sheet. I straight up asked ChatGPT if it could generate a 2D sprite sheet of a hermit crab for it walking back and forth from left to right. And what it gave me is a sprite sheet of the same exact image over and over. It's not each tile isn't moved at all. Yeah, each tile is the exact same. It's just gonna, all it's gonna do is just, this is gonna glide. I can do that with one I have now. This one's a little bit better than my cartoon graphic. I guess this can be the logo. The one on the actual web page. This is hilarious. Let me do what this download is. Save this to desktop. Actually, can I copy the URL? Drag it to my other machine? No, it's like doing it. It won't. It's just a download link. It's like the blob is stored locally somehow. I just need to be able to carry the file, because I can't transfer files. And I mean, I can, yeah, I can send it to myself from the machine, but point is I have multiple machines and I can use one mouse to like copy and paste things from one to the other, but I can't, um, they aren't file shared right now. I don't even, I'm gonna look at the download. Wait, where was the, hold on. I just clicked on the wrong thing and lost it. Hold on. What was that? Why? Oh yeah, I was looking up HTML text area cursor type also to see if I can change the blank for the text area to something. I think you can do like a block, and maybe do something even more interesting. Like I want a prompt that's like something like unique to the little world. Let's see. There we go. It says I've animated it this. You can download the file here. If I inspect this, it's not a download. It's like it's a data state. It's like a view analysis if you need further adjustments. So I'm gonna open this. Oh, that's hilarious. But his legs aren't moving. Maybe they are, because they move real slow, like they drag like a little bit. Oh my goodness. They are different. There's little, whatever they call the crab's little whisker thingies. They are moving. All right, I've got to get this into, I got to get this. I mean, this isn't really useful. I have it saved. I'm not going to use that. Let me know if you need any further adjustments. I wonder if I can drag and drop this image. wrong mouse. Oh, wait. My, can I get this mouse over here still? Yeah, if I drag that. No, it doesn't let it, you know, my setup is not set up for that. It could be. I'm using a program called Barrier Linux utility that you can share keyboards and mice between machines. It's really simple. There's not a bunch. I tried a bunch of stuff, and this was like the easiest without using like VC. It's VC something. I forget the whole protocol. VRF. I am 30 minutes in. I'm gonna start this. I'm gonna restart YouTube because I'm trying to break this up into small, manageable chunks to make this one complete like